You've heard of jewelry heists, but never an egg heist until now.
About 100,000 eggs were stolen.
You heard right. 100,000 eggs stolen from an egg distributor. That's a lot of eggs. The egg heist took place at an egg distribution center in Franklin County, Pennsylvania. The eggs were stolen from the back of a trailer, and the entire haul is said to be worth $40,000. The eggs came from Pete and Jerry's Organics Farm, a brand sold in supermarkets across the USA. The egg crisis has led to reports of consumers hoarding eggs. This video, posted on social media, shows shoppers at Costco with arms full of eggs. Look at this. Her cart is overflowing with them. Costco is now limiting purchases to 5 dozen for $18.69. At another store, this sign reads, 2 egg carton limit.
We're expecting to see prices of both eggs and products that use eggs to rise by as much as 20% this year.
Now, customers of some popular restaurants hit with a steep surcharge for every egg ordered.
Yep. Waffle House has now imposed a 50-cent surcharge on your favorite egg breakfast due to the nationwide rise in the cost of eggs.